My name is Aquino. When we first purchased North Bay Cycle, it was a small little, really a two-season business. We looked around in North Bay, found this location here, totally renovated it into a nice new state-of-the-art building, took on the Polaris line, so now we're 4 seasons, which is great for us. We have 3 kids and they all love to sled. When they found out we were getting the Polaris line, wow, the buzz was pretty exciting. So as business owners, we're always looking for ways to reach out to our community. Getting out there on the sleds, we get a chance to talk to the people that are out there, see what they want. We're really excited right now because we're going to host a poker ride to support the Hospital Foundation to keep cancer care in North Bay. We're going to start the poker ride here and end the poker ride here. Our sledders get to ride right from our dealership and get right onto the trails from here. So we're pretty excited about that.